A very good day to all parents and welcome to today's activity for the Parents as Co-Educators program. The activity for today is texture bag. In this activity, the children will improve their ability to recognize things with the sense of touch and will also undergo the process of mindful observation. To begin this activity, take a opaque bag, that is, a bag which is not transparent through which you cannot see. Now, fill this bag up with different types of objects. These could be erasers, sharpeners, pencil, chalk, a piece of cloth, or any other item that you have at home. Make sure that this object is not sharp. Now, ask the student to pick an object in the bag. They should not take the object out of the bag. That is, they should not be able to see the object. Ask them to recognize the object that they have picked only by feeling it using the sense of touch without seeing the object. Repeat this activity at least 5 to 6 times. Now, in the end, remove all the objects from the bag and show it to the students. You can ask them to speak about whatever they know about these objects and whether they have seen them before. Once the activity has been completed, you can discuss the following questions with the students. Ask them how they feel after touching the objects without seeing them. How do they recognize the objects and what did they observe while identifying these objects? Was there anything in the bag which they saw for the first time? That is all for today's activity. We request you to share a photograph or a video of the child performing this activity. In case of any doubts or suggestions, kindly contact us on the WhatsApp number provided.